Okay, so that was terrifying. Don't tell my wife I did that. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I've been going for about half an hour on the trail to Sky Pond. My hope is to get there before dawn. And we're on the way to Sky Pond. About 10,200 feet of elevation, and I have hit snow on the trail. Look at that light. So I'm now at the lock. It's the first of 3 lakes. I'm going to keep going up, but I just want to show you. Look at that. And there's that alpenglow that I got up at 2:30 this morning to see. And there's the sunrise. Haven't quite made it to Sky Pond yet. This is a long hike. But it's okay because it's still beautiful. Almost there. I just have to go up that. Okay, so that was terrifying. Don't tell my wife I did that. The rest of this doesn't look as bad. And I made it to the second lake. Lake of Glass. Although it's windy today, no glass here. Almost to Sky Pond. It's just up there a little bit. I made it. Sky Pond. Breakfast at 11,000 feet. So this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. There are people up there climbing the shark's tooth. No way you can see them on this GoPro, but I'm gonna try to get some other video. That is the most insane thing I've ever seen. And now the sun is out, it's a beautiful morning, and I'm starting my way back down the mountain. I am very thankful for micro spikes on these boots. All right, folks, here's the part where I have to go down the waterfall. Hopefully I don't plummet to my death. Although if I do, at least that will be a shortcut. I made it down the waterfall, slid down the ice. It was fun.